Hello teachers and students! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ma'am Rein. If you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, please click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell para maging updated tayo whenever I upload videos. So for today's video, we have rational algebraic expressions based on most essential learning competencies, or MELC. In this video, you will learn to identify rational algebraic expression and evaluate rational algebraic expression. From the word rational, we have the root word, which is the ratio. Ratio can be written as A is to B or A over B. This A over B can be expressed as A over B, or A is the numerator and B as the denominator, which is known as fraction. When we say rational algebraic expression, it can be written in the form of P over Q, where P and Q are both polynomials, and Q must not be equal to 0. Here are the examples. We have 2x over 5. We have 3x squared minus 9 over 4y. We have 3y over x squared plus 2x plus 1. And we have 4a plus 3b all over 5x squared. Now let's have a review. Is it a rational algebraic expression or not? Let's have number 1. 3x squared minus 9 all over 4. Is it or not? The answer is yes. Number 2. We have 4a plus 3b all over 5x squared. Is it a rational algebraic expression or not? Yes. And how about number 3? 3y all over x squared plus 2x plus 1. Correct. Yes. It is a rational algebraic expression. Now let's try this. Translate the following verbal phrases into rational algebraic expression. We have the quotient of x and 3y squared. When we say quotient, it refers to division. And this division can be expressed as fraction. So we have to choose 3y squared over x or x over 3y squared. So the answer is x over 3y squared. Next, the sum of M and N divided by their difference. All you have to do is to get first the numerator, which is the sum of M and N. That will become M plus N. And divided by their difference. So, when we say difference, it refers to subtraction. So therefore, what will be the answer? The final answer is M plus N all over M minus N. Next, the average speed of a car traveling 3x squared plus 1 in x hours. When we say speed, it is equal to the distance over time. So what will be the answer? Is it x over 3x squared plus 1 or 3x squared plus 1 over x? Okay, correct. That is 3x squared plus 1 over x. Because x is time and 3x squared plus 1 is the distance. Now let's try this. Let's try to evaluate the following rational algebraic expressions. Step number 1. If x is equal to negative 3. So all you have to do when we are evaluating an expression, we simply substitute the value of the variable. So in this case, our x will be negative 3. So all we have to do is to substitute the value of x in that given expression. So x minus 2 all over negative 6 plus x will become negative 3 minus 2 all over negative 6 plus negative 3. So, unahin natin yung numerator. That will be negative plus negative. That will become negative 5. And on the denominator, negative plus negative, that will become negative 9. Since they are both negative, the numerator and the denominator, we can simply divide a negative to the negative. That will become positive. So the answer is 5 over 9. Let's have another example. If x is equal to 2, we have this expression, x squared minus 4x plus 1 all over 8x minus 7. So as I have said, you have to substitute the values of x in that expression. So that will become negative 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1 all over 8 times 2 minus 7. So 2 squared will become 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. So 4 minus 8 plus 1. And on the denominator, that will become 8 times 2 is 16 minus 7. So 4 minus 8 is negative 4 plus 1, that is negative 3. And on the denominator, that is 16 minus 7, that will become 9. So the answer will become negative 3 over 9. This is not yet the final answer. Why? Because it can be divided into 3. That is their common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the final answer is negative 1 over 3. So what did you learn? To evaluate a rational algebraic expression, we must know first a particular value per variable. And then substitute the replacement values into the rational algebraic expression. And lastly, simplify the result. If you will rate yourself on how much you've learned today, what would it be? Now you try this. Evaluate the following rational algebraic expressions if a is equal to -1, x is equal to 1, and y is equal to 4. Number 1, x squared minus 81 over 80. Number 2, 2x minus 2y plus 1 all over a raised to 4 minus 16x. And number 3, negative 576a cubed plus 5 all over 5y. Note, if the rational algebraic expression has a numerator of 0, then the rational algebraic expression will become 0. And if the rational algebraic expression has a denominator of 0, then the rational algebraic expression will become undefined. Thanks for watching. Now you can like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel through your desktop, tablet, and mobile phones. You can also like and follow my Facebook page. It's www.facebook.com/MomRainOfficial. Don't forget it! At ito pong muli si Ma'am Rein na nag-iiwan ng mga katagang pag-aaral ay pagbutihin, kaalaman ay pagyamanin. Bye-bye!